Oh my god, look at my lashes. I can't get enough of this. So there's no mascara, there's nothing peeps, it's just because of the mask. Hi guys! So it is 1 o'clock, almost lunchtime. I had a really good day today, and yesterday very excited. I met my nephews yesterday after so long. So yeah, we're gonna do like the weekend together, so probably might film something with them. If you have any ideas on what we should do, leave that in the comments, because you guys will see this before that. And yeah, today's day is a bit of a packed day, so I thought I'd vlog also. I'm feeling really happy and energized after meeting my family after so long. I'm going to attempt making a no-bake cheesecake because I opened a tin of condensed milk last night because I was just dying to try it. Hello friend, hello. And so I ordered some Philadelphia cheese, and I'm going to try making a no-bake cheesecake. And Mr. also has to have a bath. I also have to have a bath, so I was thinking maybe we'd do like a bit of a spa scene in the afternoon and then go for a walk. What do you say, Maz? What do you say? What do you say? What do you say? Did you eat your lunch? Bonukadu? 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 So we're starting with vacuuming base bed, which she's gonna be unhappy about because there's a lot of hair. So Mazi got a new bed for Christmas. The bed is from Mutt, of course. I bought it from this store that he's in. A lot of you keep asking me on Instagram, so that's where it's from. And I'm gonna get a spare set of covers for this so that when it's washed I can change them. Mazi sheds a lot, so just gonna Okay people, time for lunch. We're having one of my favorites. So basically we've got some yummy prawn curry rice, some sweet potato and some yummy lime pickle. Okay peeps, so it's time to make my cheesecake, and it's a really easy like no bake cheesecake. Last night I read a bunch of recipes online because I opened this tin of Milkmaid to have like condensed milk, to have like a bite or two with my strawberries, and I realized I shouldn't have done that because I had to do something else. So then today I ordered Philadelphia cheese, digestive biscuits, and yeah, we already have lemon in the house and butter in the house. So it's a really easy, I'm not following any particular recipe. Basically, you just mix it all. You make the base for the cheesecake with the biscuits and butter. Freeze that, and then you mix everything and just put it into the fridge, and it's supposed to be. Let's try. Hello friends, and welcome to an all new episode of Scary Chef Sherry, who does not know what she puts in her food. Okay, so first we're starting with crushing the biscuits. I really don't know how many biscuits I've taken. Roughly I'd say 1.5 packs, but I could be wrong. You want to put them into a ziploc this way and then use your belan and just crush them to make the biscuit crust like this. And then you want to just put that into your bowl or your whatever, the baking tray or whatever you're using. Not baking tray, regular bowl, because we're not baking. What's wrong with me? Just add the melted butter. The butter I've used is very little. You should be using more butter, but I don't really have a lot of butter, so we're just gonna wing it with what I have. You just want to mix the two to kind of make it like a sticky, smooth paste like thing, and then flatten the biscuit base on the bowl. Once you flatten the whole thing, it looks like this. We're going to take it and stick it into the freezer. Now you just want to empty out the whole slab of the Philadelphia cheese into the bowl. Just mash it up this way with your spatula. Add the Milkmaid, the condensed milk to that, and just mix it all together. Yes guys, I know it looks like puke right now, but it gets better, I promise, I promise. And yeah, just keep putting your whole heart and soul into it. Make some funny faces and it'll taste good, I promise. Then we're going to add some lemon juice to this. 1, 2, how many ever lemons you like. Also, you know, grate some of the lemon rind into it. And then mix. See, looking better already. And then taste it. Very tasty. Okay, I'm going to stop. Okay, I'm going to stop. And after all that overacting, we are just going to pour in the mixture over the frozen biscuit and butter and just flatten it out, spread it with a spatula and stick it in the fridge. Khatam!
Okay peeps, cheesecake done. Mr. is ready for a walk. And then we are going to marinate him because he has to have a bath. Okay Maz, are you ready? Let's go. Check it out.
This best boy is Mars, 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 Mars. Mars is my best boy, best boy, best boy. Mars is my good boy, good boy, good boy. Mars is my good puppy, good puppy, good puppy, best puppy, best puppy, good 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 puppy, best, good puppy, best puppy. Good guys. Good babu, 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 good babu. Mr. has been marinated and he's not happy about it at all. Mazuki? Good boy. So I use these back in the day packs on him, which is all natural. I just started using them and he's taking to them pretty well. Not shedding and smells a bit herbally, but all good. And since he hates having a bath, he is very unhappy, but you have to leave it on for like 10 minutes. So I'm just keeping him company while he marinates and then we're gonna give him a bath. Hey, very good boy! Hey, very good boy! Hey, very good boy! Hello friends, Scary Chef Sherry वापस आ गई है और I was gonna take my second bath of the day. I had put some kind of weird hair mask in the morning, which is why my hair looks so greasy, so I thought I'd have my second bath before dinner, but I gave Mars a bath, which just ran off somewhere, and then I had to deal with some taxes stuff. I hate dealing with taxes, guys. I don't know how people do this. Like I find this so complicated in our like country. I don't know why we have so many taxes. There's TDS, there's GST, there's I don't know income tax, God knows what all, and then it's just so confusing. And I feel like you just have to keep talking to your accountant. So I was dealing with that and sending emails, looking for stuff, accounts, all of that, and then I was like, evening is done. So my Kisano box has arrived, my weekly sabzi, like all my greens and stuff that I get from them. Decided what to make for dinner because it's almost 7 o'clock now. So you can see all my taza greens have come. They have like the best stuff. Kale. And no, this is not sponsored. This is my weekly box that I order and pay for and I love. And hi clean boy. Who's a clean boy? Who's an angry clean boy that doesn't like Sherry? Oh, you like Sherry. You still love Sherry, don't you? Okay, guys. Eating some celery. Alright, make dinner. I have spent the last 40 minutes sorting my sabzis. I'm gonna do like an interesting salad with a cheese and dahi kind of dressing, which you will see, which my sister and I used to make when I was a kid, if I remember correctly. I'm gonna attempt it. And just like a pan grilled chicken with tomatoes and basil. So we're gonna blitz the basil and garlic and mix it all up. And I know you're gonna find this me chomping and talking very annoying, but I'm sorry. A girl is hungry and a girl is eating some celery sticks. So this is just stuff for the salad. We have some mushrooms, we have the chicken, defrosting there. We have all the greens, which I'm gonna blitz. Yeah, let's do it. कार्यक्रम में वापस आपका स्वागत है. पहले तो हम कुछ स्प्रिंग अनियन और मशरूम्स काटेंगे इस तरह अलग अजीब अतरंगी शेप्स में. फिर हम बासिल और गार्लिक और ऑलिव ऑयल को मिक्सर में ब्लेंड कर देंगे इसी तरह. Magic! So you have like a nice green pesto-y sauce. Then we just take our wok or pan or whatever, put some olive oil, fry the onions, add the chicken and just fry it till it has like a nice brown ish color. Then just add the mushrooms, some pepper, salt, and then you want to add your sauce and just let it cook. And now for my dip, I'm just going to add 1 onion, some garlic pods, and some fresh herbs from my Kisano box to the chopper and just chop, chop, chop. While my chicken cooks, I'm quickly going to make that dip slash dressing or whatever. It's basically some cheese, like cream cheese, a little bit of dahi, and a mix of what we've done, the onions, herbs, and garlic. So dinner is almost ready. We have the dip slash dressing. We have all the greens here, some tomatoes, some celery, rocket, and lettuce. And then the chicken here is almost ready as well. Definitely feel like I overdid it a bit today. Feeling a bit exhausted. I think I attempted too many new things. But and then just to do all those bartans, like I hate that. Like that's the worst part about cooking. But while the chicken was cooking, I quickly finished that. And yeah, now we're just gonna sit down and eat, and then for dessert we're gonna check out my cheesecake, friends. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Finally in bed with my World of Married finale and my deconstructed cheesecake. I am absolutely exhausted, guys. It's been such a long day. I feel like I've been cooking all day because I made the cheesecake, and yeah, I just actually didn't want to put it into like a plate and stuff. I just thought I'd put it into a bowl, so I've mishmashed it all, and that's why I'm calling it a deconstructed cheesecake. But I'm on the finale episode of World of Married, and I'm going to tell you what happens after I finish it. Wait.
I remember when I first saw your face and how everything changed that day. I remember trying hard to ignore the signs, but I couldn't and I didn't know why. I remember when I ran so far, like speeding trains in the passenger car. And I remember that you still came back for me.
I can't get over how much he loves his bed and how he sleeps in it. And then in the middle of the night he comes and snuggles with me and then goes back. Oh, cutelet. But I finished World of Marriage. Finale was a bit disappointing, honestly. It was a bit all over the place and very long. Like I was just like, what is happening now? Like, you know. So yeah, but it's a very different K-drama to anything I've watched. So yeah, that's like one of those unique ones, which was really good until the last couple of episodes. So guys, that's it from me. That's the vlog. Thank you for watching. If you liked the vlog, give it a thumbs up and comment below with what videos you want to see in the next couple of months. See you guys. Bye.